Welcome to an intriguing journey into the world of Hamas military tunnels, a complex network of underground passageways that have been at the heart of numerous conflicts. These tunnels, often carved out of the earth with nothing more than hand tools, are not just feats of engineering, but also symbols of resilience and strategy. Historically, these tunnels have played a significant role in the region's conflicts, serving as lifelines for the transport of goods, people, and at times, weapons. The strategic importance of these tunnels for Hamas cannot be overstated. They are a critical part of their defense and offense, providing a means to move undetected and strike when least expected. The construction of these tunnels is an arduous and dangerous task, requiring immense dedication and bravery, yet they continue to be built, their existence a testament to the determination and resourcefulness of those involved. Now that we understand the significance of these tunnels, let's delve into how they are created. The creation of these military tunnels is no easy task. It involves meticulous planning, precise execution, and an understanding of engineering principles. The first phase of tunnel creation is planning. This is an essential step, as the success of the entire project hinges on it. Engineers and military strategists come together to decide the best location for the tunnel, taking into consideration factors such as soil type, water table levels, and the tunnel's intended use. They also plan the tunnel's size, shape, and direction, ensuring that it will meet the needs of the military operation. The next phase is excavation. This is where the physical work of tunnel making begins. Workers, often under the cover of darkness, dig into the earth, removing soil and rock bit by bit. This is a slow and painstaking process, requiring workers to be extremely careful to avoid cave-ins and other potential dangers. They use a variety of tools, from simple shovels to complex machinery, depending on the conditions. Once the tunnel has been dug, the next step is reinforcement. This is a crucial phase, as it ensures the structural integrity of the tunnel. Reinforcement involves lining the tunnel with supports, usually made from wood or steel. These supports prevent the tunnel from collapsing under the weight of the earth above it. The process of reinforcement is a delicate one, requiring a keen understanding of engineering principles. With the tunnel reinforced, the next phase is completion. This involves installing any necessary equipment or features, such as lighting or ventilation systems. It may also involve laying tracks or paving the floor, depending on the tunnel's intended use. Each tunnel is unique, and the completion phase is tailored to its specific purpose. The final phase of tunnel creation is maintenance. This is an ongoing process, as tunnels are susceptible to wear and tear over time. Regular inspections are carried out to check for any signs of damage or instability. Any issues that are found are quickly addressed, ensuring that the tunnel remains safe and operational. Throughout each phase of tunnel creation, there are numerous challenges to overcome. The physical labor is intense and the working conditions can be harsh. There's also the constant risk of detection, as these tunnels are often created in secret. Despite these difficulties, the workers press on, driven by the strategic importance of their task. As we can see, the process of creating these tunnels is complex and fraught with difficulties, yet their strategic importance makes all these efforts worthwhile. We've journeyed through the world of Hamas military tunnels and understood the intricacies involved in their creation. These tunnels aren't just simple dugouts, they're complex structures, meticulously planned and executed, serving a purpose far beyond mere transportation. We've broken down the process into digestible steps, exploring how a seemingly daunting task is methodically carried out. From the initial planning stage, to the physical excavation, and the eventual reinforcement of the tunnel structure, each step is crucial in ensuring the tunnel's functionality and longevity. The construction of these tunnels also comes with its own set of challenges. Tight spaces, water seepages, and the constant risk of collapse add an element of danger to the process. Yet, these obstacles are met with innovative solutions and unwavering determination. As we conclude, it's clear that these tunnels are more than just passageways. They hold strategic value, and their creation is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of adversity.